Good morning. I didn't take the wind protector thing for my mic with me. I don't know why, I just don't keep it on. I'm walking Tina. I think she's gonna poop. Don't forget to pick up your dog's poop. Today's July 1st. It's Friday. I don't know when I'm posting this. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe I could post 4 vlogs in a row. I don't know, maybe. Maybe today. We'll see. Tina, come. I'm not doing anything today. Well, I always say that in every vlog, but I genuinely think that I'm not doing anything. Limousine. Okay, but I am not going to the gym. I'm sore. I'm taking a break. I will do some stretching though. I have to get back into that because I haven't been doing that regularly. I'm going to do some self-care. Well, I usually do that on Sundays. I don't have to wash my hair, but I want to have a face mask and maybe take a bath. I don't know, it's pretty hot. Yes, I love my strawberry slippers, but the thing is, I always put on strawberry socks and it's not my intention. It just happens. Like, I don't intend to match. It just happens. So we're gonna play fetch now, but I told my dad he could come out with the ball and the water. So now she's confused why I'm not throwing the ball. She's so tired.
Hello guys. What are you doing today? What do you think of my ASMR?
You have a lot of fans. Nej men jag säger ju det till dig. How many degrees is it today?
Degrees, it is,
is it 30?
30 degrees today. Today it is hot.
Someone laughed last time when you said maybe.
Yeah, maybe hot today. Yeah.
It's 19 degrees.
It is first July 1st. Yes, okay, bye bye. Tjing.
Har det skönt? Vad gör du? Är du sur? Vad tittar du på? Ser du fåglarna? Åh, är du söt? Va? Gjorde mig bitchblick.
How could I forget to show you? I made this area. Behind here, there's 2 holes here because there was this, what's it called? The one that holds this, but we have this weird thing instead. But yeah, I kind of like it. Down there, I'm gonna get like cute boxes. But yeah, so far that's what it looks like there. I put these here. Thought it was cute, and then little plants, and then up there I have the that stuff. So The Sims 4 is coming out with a new pack, a high school expansion pack, and it comes out the 28th, July 28th, and I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna show my dad now the trailer. I don't know why, but Tina is laying under here. I mean, I think it's because she wants to be on the floor, but there's other places, but she's never laid over there. My dad says it's a ghost rat. But I'm editing right now. After that, I'm actually going to the plant store. I don't think I told you guys yet, but I'm going to the plant store because one of you guys recommended a plant called pothos? I don't know exactly, but I'm gonna look for that, see if I can find it. Exciting! Hello, we're going to the plant store now.
Hello, I'm back.
How was your first plant experience in 10 years?
It was good.
Good. I haven't been to a plant store since I was a little child because, as I said, I don't care for plants. But it was pretty fun, actually. I might become a plant mom, you never know. Simone or Big Daddy, I'm coming for you. So I am back home and I found this one there, and this is the one that I bought at, I just put this there for now. This is the one that I found at the thrift store, and I found the exact one at the plant store. So it's nice. I got one pretty cheap and one for the original price. This is the plant that I got. This is the one that you guys recommended. And then I got this one. I have to buy bigger pots later, but this is the one I have for now. It looks fine. It's really cute. And then this one. I don't know. It's kind of cool, I guess. Yeah. Let me know which one's your favorite. And then also, I bought this that I'm gonna hang up in the bathroom too. In this, basically. So I'm gonna tie like two, and then I'm gonna put it up in the bathroom. Look how pretty this one is, and that's how that one turned out. I think it fits really well, like this, I guess what's called pot. I wanted it there, but it didn't work, so I'll have to put it here instead. And then I have one more plant. You know what this one reminds me of? It reminds me of Karen. Karen. My dad won't understand, but those of you who understand, you understand. I don't know if I should have it here, maybe. I think it looks nice there. Or up there. I don't know. For now, I want it there, I think. Or maybe on that side. I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit empty over here. I think I want it over here. That's my Karen plant. Yes. So this is how it turned out. I put those there. I don't know if I want them there. I kind of wanted them over here. Now I'm going to the dollar store to check out boxes because, as you saw in my last vlog, maybe if you didn't see that, don't forget to check it out. Do it. These are two, like they hang over these shelves. So I measured everything here too, and then also here, because I want like a cuter box, not just this, because it looks messy and ugly in my opinion. So I measured this as well and how high it was, so I don't get it wrong. I found this one at the dollar store and it's really nice. It's a protein bar. Caramel sea salt flavor. I am at a place called Jysk. You might recognize it. I don't ever buy furniture from here anymore because it fucking sucks. But they have... Oh, look at that! I would totally buy that if it wasn't for kids. But I'm here now checking stuff. Oh, here we have some rugs. I actually want a rug for my bathroom. How do I put you here? There's like this thingy in the way. There. There. I think I want a round one. There's mirrors here. I'm just looking. Oh, here's a bigger one. Oh, I think I want the round one instead. I want this. I want the round one. Also, my battery's blinking, so. Someone walked past. That was awkward. Oh, I have this mirror, I think. Okay, I'll see you when I get home, or unless I see something that I want to show you here. Hello cuties, I'm back home. I decided to get this rug, just a round white rug. I found 2 of these at the dollar store. These are so annoying. Have any tips to remove them? I guess maybe soak it in warm water. I found these boxes, not the ones that I was looking for, but they still fit. For now, it'll do, you know. So I got 4 of those. Also found these that you just put on the wall so I can hang stuff that doesn't weigh much, like for example the eucalyptus, I think it's called. I put that one in the bathroom. I got this one, and this hand cream that I got for my birthday. I really want another one. Then I found this one at this place called Jysk, and it smells nice. I was thinking I put it in my bathroom. It's sea salt and rose. Interesting. Yeah, it's pretty good. And that's it. Yeah, also my dad bought lots of towels, small towels. Got white ones and pink ones. Tina just had a walk and now she's getting some sausage in this. This like chicken sausage. So she likes to try and lick it out. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why did you take that off?
Jag får shave, mamma.
So this is how it turned out. I'm really happy. Here are both of the plants. I really love this one. It's really cute. This one is also cute, but I think the smaller leaves, I don't know. It speaks to me. And then this eucalyptus, and then I just hung this here, and it kind of covers, I mean not really, but it kind of, I don't know. This, I want a new one of these, so I would definitely buy one. Maybe sometimes they have these at thrift stores, really cool ones, so I might look there. It's really cool because I found one of these at the thrift store, and then I bought another one for the full price. And then these from IKEA. This thing from IKEA. This thing from IKEA. This is how it turned out. It's not really cute, but whatever. It's for now. It's fine. Up here, I have that fake flowers. This is the eucalyptus. This is the eucalyptus. Men vad fan, jag kan inte prata. This is the eucalyptus, and this is not really pretty. I don't know. I might do something else with that sometime. Yeah. That's it for now. I might put another plant up here actually, like one that hangs down. I feel like that would be cute. And this rug, I feel like it's perfect size. I don't know. I was like, oh, maybe it will be too small, but I feel like, yeah, I feel like it's good. I want another one of these, and then some. Maybe I'll get another one of those because it's kind of ugly. Or maybe I should paint it white somehow. I don't know. And then back here is hiding the cleaning stuff, which is nice. I want a new garbage bin. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I mean, this is a good start. I think it really makes a difference in here because I've never really paid attention to my bathroom. But I think it's really nice, and it already smells good actually from the eucalyptus. Even though it's very subtle, like when you walk in here, it smells nice. Even before I put that in, I mean, I just put that in like just now. So even before that, it smelled nice. If you have any ideas for my bathroom that I might like, let me know down below. I would love it. If there's anything that you think I should add, or if there's anything, I don't know, any good boxes or whatever, or what I could do with this that doesn't look as ugly. Let me know. It's actually only 3 o'clock, but I've already filmed so much, I feel like. So I hope you don't mind that I ended now if I want this to be posted today and also have some free time because it is Friday. I want to chill, you know. Guess what? I have to pee. What the hell? I've had to do that like 3 times now in vlogs, like when I'm talking to you. Some questions, why not? Some people got confused about the thing that I talked about, like my boyfriend who I call daddy. I don't know why you confuse it with my father, which is absolutely fucking disgusting, by the way. You're sick in the head. But anyways, it is not my father. It's fucking disgusting. The dude I live with is my dad, my father. And when I talk about my daddy, it's not my father, okay? I don't know how many times I've had to explain this. And I said it yesterday, I said boyfriend, and I added that it is long distance, which means it's long fucking distance. Not sure how else I could explain that, but anyways, that's what I wanted to clear up. Thanks, bye. Mish, do you still study? No, I dropped out of high school when I was 16, 17, 16, so I haven't been to school since. Love your self-care videos. If you try foot masks that make your dead skin fall off, will you tell us if they're good? I was looking for one. Thank you so much. Yes, I actually did try one. I found one at the dollar store, and I'm so sorry, but I can't find the brand because I was looking for this on Google to show my friend Venom, and I couldn't find it. I don't know, I have no idea, but it is on dollar store. I think any of them work. Peeling solution, foot mask, like if it says peeling, then it should work. So I tried it. It definitely worked. All my skin fell off. It was kind of cool, kind of gross. Not really. I don't really think that's gross, but that's what people say, so I guess it's gross. But it works, definitely. I'm gonna do one soon again, actually today. Just asking, so will your daddy ever appear in a video? No, sorry, he doesn't want to be on video, which is fine. I don't care. But no. Hi cutie, I like your style and how to keep it simple and natural. So what's your favorite shopping place? Thank you. My favorite shopping place, I wouldn't say I really have one. Like when I'm at the mall, I go to H&M, New Yorker, Big Book, something that's called Big Book. Thrift stores, I love thrift stores, especially looking for tops and sweaters and bags. So I guess it would be those. I don't know. I don't really shop at different places for like clothes. Or I mean, like I don't really have a specific one that I like. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Oh, a lot of people have been asking, I'm gonna do this one, last one. A lot of people have been asking about my Discord server actually, and I think I removed it now completely from like recent future videos. The link to my Discord server, it's because the bot hasn't been working, so when people join, people can just join however and they just get right in, which is not supposed to happen. What's supposed to happen is you get in and then you can't see anything until you introduce yourself and until I or any of my mods, is that what it's called? Let you in basically, and then you have to pick your roles. So now that doesn't work. People just come straight in. So like the only way I would let people in right now is like just through DMs, and I would send you a link, only you, so you could use it and then get in and then introduce yourself. So I would have to do that manually. Me and Venom, my mod, my friend, we have to look at that. We have to fix that because Jesus Christ, we haven't been fixing it. Really lazy. So there's that. If you want to be a part of my Discord server, DM me on Instagram, Lil Daciar. If you're a guy, usually we don't really let you in because most of you are fucking weird. Sorry, not sorry. But DM me, Lil Daciar. Everything's linked down below. My Instagram, my ASMR channel, Mish ASMR, so check that out if you're interested in ASMR. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you've been enjoying these vlogs this week and last week, right? I think I posted one last week too, on Friday as well, or on Saturday. I don't really remember. But I'm gonna eat now. I actually haven't eaten anything but that protein bar, which is not good, but I will, I promise. I think I'm gonna make a salad, or I might order Indian food. I don't know, we'll see, but it's gonna be healthy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like, and I will see you in my next video. Love you, bye.